probably grab something on my way down there. I can't either, really. I'll eat something light, you know, some protein bar or something. That's a highlight.
For anybody, picking up Rogers for Fields, that's a victory. At least for 2, but you know, I think you and I are thinking like longevity. Fields is probably next 10 years.
I like the Will Howard though. That's a good job.
That's a great pick. That is a great pick.
Oh,
the move.
But
yeah, that's a great pick.
Yeah.
And he's a champ. Later. Yeah, man, thanks. Have a good 4th. Yeah, have a good 4th. Ooh. That was sick. Yeah, I'll let you know. Yeah, I know. Oh, good shot. So they need someone neutral to come in.
It's way too much. That's why these kids kill each other.
Yeah, exactly.
I just want not to do it. Thank you. We're good. Keep it. That's good. Go.
Good kick.